Let's look at how to make data bars. Data bars are great for visualizing a variance in a table of numbers. They're dynamic and simple to use. So first off, we have our variance numbers here in column E. And now we want to replicate those, as that's where the conditional formatting will be applied. So we highlight all those and then we go to conditional formatting, data bars, and I like to use the solid data bars. This is it at its most basic, but we want to get rid of those numbers as we already have them in our versus budget column. So back to conditional formatting, manage rules. Then we're going to click data bars only. This will remove the numbers. Additionally, you can change the colors and you can change the negative colors, which isn't that intuitive. And that's the basic data bar. The great thing about data bars though is that they are dynamic. So I'm going to make a change here to the budget to change the variance. Straight away, that takes that into consideration and rearranges all the bars in that set. So if we change that back, it's going to change back automatically. So that is data bars and how you can dynamically show a variance in a table of numbers. And it's great that anyone who picks up this report will be able to see at a glance what needs their attention straight away.